What's the meaning of berate? Berate. Berate.
Berate. Berate. The word berate means to scold or criticize someone angrily and harshly, typically for someone's perceived faults or mistakes. When someone is berated, they may be subjected to a verbal assault that leaves them feeling belittled or humiliated. The criticism may be direct or indirect, but it is always meant to make the recipient feel guilty or ashamed of their actions. Berating can be done by anyone in a position of authority or power, such as a parent, employer, or teacher. It is important to note that while constructive criticism is helpful and necessary for improvement, berating crosses over into emotional abuse and can have detrimental effects on a person's mental health.